In front of me is Xiaomi 17 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, go into Settings and tap on Bluetooth right away. Now use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it and wait for available devices to show. When they do, tap on the one you wanna connect to. Then click on this icon next to allow access to your contacts and call history to turn it on or switch it off, and when you're ready, tap on pair. Now wait for the other device to accept your connection request, or if you are trying to connect to another smartphone or to a tablet, accept it manually on the second device like I just did. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. To manage any connected device, tap on this icon right next to it and manage all of those options however you want to, including unpair. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!